Welcome to the online training in differentiated instruction using the STEM Careers in Aviation, a video-based curriculum teacher guide. We'll focus on the use, application, and classroom integration of our YouTube series called Virtual Field Trips to the Air Traffic Safety Oversight Service. This curriculum is designed to engage middle school students with real-world aviation careers while building critical literacy and thinking skills aligned with college and career readiness and ELA standards. I'll guide you through how the lessons are structured, how they align with key standards, and demonstrate the curriculum's flexible implementation methods. Let's get started. Our curriculum is built around 5 engaging animated videos. Each video is paired with scaffolded activities designed to strengthen comprehension, analysis, critical thinking, writing, and presentation skills. All materials are aligned with college and career readiness anchor standards and Common Core ELA standards for grades 6 through 8. The instructional strategies include graphic organizers, cause and effect charts, creative writing prompts, mapping, and group discussions. To encourage participation, we've also added a fun incentive. Students can earn a junior AOV badge at the end of each video. Now, let's watch a scenario about how to integrate these videos for cross-curricular activities. You'll have an activity to complete. Stop the video when prompted to complete the activity.
Today, we're going to take off with a quick 5-minute challenge. You've all watched that FAA Careers video and have the transcript in front of you. Your mission: create a cross-curricular lesson idea using it, connecting at least 2 subjects.
Do you mean science and ELA together?
Exactly. Think about your subject and how you can collaborate. Let's brainstorm.
I could have students write a fictional journal entry from the perspective of an air traffic controller during a major storm.
Nice. And I could support it by teaching how radar and communication tech work in real life. It's a great way to blend narrative writing and real-world STEM.
We could do a math project where students calculate how fast a plane needs to go to take off based on runway length.
Yes, these are exactly the kinds of deep, interdisciplinary connections we want for students. Let's share one idea per pair.
We'd analyze real-world data about airport traffic and connect it to an informational text about the best time to travel.
ELA plus science. We're thinking of a creative writing piece where a student's waiting during a flight delay, and they'd have to explain how professionals solve it, based on the real FAA rules.
Beautiful. See how a single video can support multiple subject areas? Cross-curricular planning doesn't have to be huge. Just one shared text or theme, like this FAA video, can spark real-world connections and student engagement across your subjects.
I never thought a safety video could inspire a science fiction writing prompt.
And now, you're cleared for takeoff into your next unit.
STEM plus storytelling plus real-world relevance equals cross-curricular power. Your assignment is to go to FAA's YouTube channel, or you can scan the QR code here. Watch the video titled Air Traffic Safety Oversight Service, AOV, STEM Careers in the National Airspace System. When the video is complete, create a cross-curricular lesson idea based on information in the video. Connect your lesson with at least 2 subjects. When you complete your lesson, write a reflection. Here is your prompt. What subject do you teach, and how could you connect them to a theme like aviation or STEM careers? When your reflection is complete, return to this video to continue the training. Pause the video here to complete the assignment. This next scenario demonstrates a cross-curricular ELA and art lesson. You'll have an activity to complete. Stop the video when prompted to complete the activity.
Welcome back. Today we're going to explore how a STEM video, yes, a government safety video, can be used to spark creativity in ELA and art.
I never thought rules could inspire creative writing.
You bet. Take a look at this FAA video about rules in the National Airspace System. Let's switch places with our students. You just watched scenes of a drone, a blimp, and a plane flying over a farm. The video asks, why are rules necessary in the National Airspace System? Now here's your task. For ELA, write a quick journal entry or story opening from the point of view of someone in the scene, like the drone pilot or spectator at the air show. Include how the rules affect their experience. For art, sketch a small symbolic image that shows the role of rules, like safety gear, warning lights, or signs. You have 2 minutes.
This is working for me. I have lots of ideas.
I had a slow start, but I can see how the video can lead to all types of lessons. Hopefully this activity sparked your imagination. Who wants to share?
I'll read my intro. The drone hummed above the field, mapping crops with precision. I followed the rules: no flying above 400 feet, no flying near airports. It wasn't just about avoiding fines. It was about not hurting someone.
I see your imagination was activated. I enjoyed the entry. Who wants to share their art piece? I drew a blimp with safety rules floating like clouds around it. Each one has a symbol: altitude, wind check, gear check.
Amazing. You've just modeled how students can reflect deeply on safety and systems, through language and imagery. So, can a STEM video be a launchpad for storytelling and art?
Absolutely.
It sure can.
I'm inspired. Imagine your students creating My Sky Has Rules posters or storybooks. It's meaningful, standards aligned, and most importantly, it helps them connect the dots between structure and creativity.
And who knew rules could be this inspiring?
Welcome to Cross-curricular Liftoff.
Your assignment is to go to FAA's YouTube channel, or you can scan the QR code here. Watch the video titled Oversight, Rules in the National Airspace System. When the video is complete, create a lesson outline that will include art and a subject you teach or want to teach. Align the lesson with information from this video. When your lesson is complete, write a reflection. Your reflection prompt is: what's one small step you can take to incorporate STEM-related storytelling or visual expression into your next lesson? When your reflection is complete, return to this video to continue the training. Pause the video here to complete the assignment. Let's take a moment to talk about something that makes assessment clearer, more personalized, and easier to manage: rubrics. Our curriculum guide includes sample rubrics. Rubrics aren't just scoring tools. They're flexible frameworks that can work for you and your students, no matter the grade level or subject. Let me show you how. First, you can customize the criteria to fit your learning goals. Maybe today you care more about content accuracy than grammar. No problem, just shift the focus of the rubric. Rubrics don't have to be complex. You can use checklists, emojis, or colors, especially for younger learners or informal check-ins. Rubrics also support differentiation. You can adjust expectations for different learners while still keeping the core objective in place. They're also great for peer and self-assessment, giving students more ownership of their learning. Finally, rubrics give specific, actionable feedback, no more vague, "good job" comments. So remember, rubrics aren't rigid. They're adaptable tools that help you differentiate, engage students, and clarify. Now, let's consider the cross-curricular lesson demonstration for an ELA and art lesson. Take a look at this example rubric for the ELA component. Pause this video to create one adjustment you could make for differentiated instruction. Now, take a look at this example rubric for the art component. Pause this video to create one way you could use this rubric as a peer or self-assessment to give students more ownership of their learning. You've practiced multiple ways to use the videos. They can be used in sections or as full videos. Whichever way you choose, these videos can support your students' learning objectives. This curriculum bridges multiple disciplines for a truly integrated learning experience. In ELA, students analyze text and multimedia, build academic vocabulary, and craft explanatory or argumentative writing. In STEM, they explore aviation safety, risk management, and real-world problem-solving. And in career readiness, students connect classroom learning with real-world STEM career pathways. By leveraging these connections, you can meet multiple curriculum goals at once, supporting a more holistic, meaningful approach to teaching and learning. Boost student engagement by encouraging creativity through storyboards, character roles, or design challenges. Promote collaboration with group discussions and presentations that build confidence and strengthen speaking and listening skills. Use rubrics to help students track their progress and allow for differentiation based on individual proficiency levels. This curriculum is designed to build students' confidence, connect with real-world careers, and deepen their understanding in meaningful ways. Address career and college readiness and English language arts standards with our STEM Careers in Aviation, a video-based curriculum teacher guide. For more information or to request a free copy of the curriculum, please contact us at 9-AVS-AOV-training@faa.gov. You can take a snapshot of this certificate of completion for your records. Thank you for participating in AOV's online training in differentiated instruction using the STEM Careers in Aviation, a video-based curriculum teacher guide. Remember, this curriculum empowers your students with critical literacy and STEM skills through engaging real-world content. Thank you and have a wonderful day.